Fix Palworld 1.0 mods not working after update 2026. Step 1. Remove old mods completely. Close Palworld completely. Open your Palworld installation folder. Remove old mod files and mod loaders. Do not only disable mods because leftover files can still cause conflicts. Restart your PC after removing mods. Step 2. Backup your save files. Open the Palworld save folder. Copy your save data to another location. Keep a backup before testing mods again. Some mod-dependent saves may not work correctly after removing outdated mods. Step 3. Verify game files. Open Steam. Go to Library, right-click Palworld. Select Properties. Open Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair missing or corrupted files. Step 4. Launch Palworld without mods. Start the game in a clean vanilla state. Check if the game reaches the main menu. Load your world and confirm everything works. If the game works without mods, the issue is caused by mod compatibility. Step 5. Update your mods for version 1.0. Check every mod page for Palworld 1.0 support. Remove outdated mods. Download only updated versions. Some older mods may not work because Palworld 1.0 changed internal systems. Step 6. Reinstall mods one by one. Install only one mod first. Launch Palworld and test it. Add the next mod after confirming the previous one works. This helps identify the broken mod. Step 7. Check mod loaders. Update required mod loaders. Remove old loader files. Install the latest compatible version. Restart the game after updating. Step 8. Reinstall Steam Workshop mods. Open Steam Workshop. Unsubscribe from outdated mods. Subscribe again to updated 1.0 compatible mods. Allow Steam to download the latest files. Step 9. Clean reinstall Palworld. Last fix, uninstall Palworld. Delete remaining Palworld folders. Restart your PC. Install the game again. Test the game before adding mods back. Common causes: old mods from previous versions, outdated mod loaders, broken .pack files, mods not updated for Palworld 1.0, multiple mods conflicting with each other.